body isolations and adding isolation and movement, danciness into your West Coast swing. And we just try to use different body parts to add dance elements to our West Coast swing. So we started with a starter step, and we did a basic first triple for 1 and 2, and then we did a body roll for 3 and 4. From there, we did a tuck out, and we extended that tuck for 1, 2,
make sure you cross
3 and 4.
Here, followers, we're gonna booty roll for 5, 6, come back for 7, 8.
Cool. Underarm turn after that. 1, 2, 3,
really quiet
and 4.
hands.
Cool. From here, I'm gonna go right follows left, and then opposite, and last end up on the right and switch the weight all the way to 6. Then I'm gonna go inside turn, which goes to my left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this side, all together, it looks like this. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was everything. Thank you so much, guys. See you on the dance floor. Next up is it Ben and Victoria. I saw them in the room.